All right, folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Forest River Vibe 26RK. This nice layout, super slide rear kitchen with a couple recliners. Your dry weight is 6,664 pounds. Your GVWR is 7,941 pounds. Overall cargo capacity 1,277 pounds with 941 pounds for a hitch weight. Overall exterior height is 11 feet 2 inches. Overall length is 33 feet 6 inches and 8 foot width. Your holding tanks have a 40-gallon fresh water tank, 30-gallon black water tank, 60-gallon gray water tank with an 18-foot awning. Hey folks, today we're going to go over the 2022 Forest River Vibe. This is the 26RK, so you're going to have a super slide in there. You're going to have the rear kitchen, a couple recliners. This thing is really nice. I can't wait to show it to you. Now coming on back here, you see our pass-through storage. We can store all kinds of stuff in here. It's a very large, oversized door. For a travel trailer, this is a nice big door for pass-through storage. Goes all the way through, obviously, so you can put all your gear, your extra pop-ups, your chairs, griddle, barbecue, anything you want to put in there, there's plenty of space for it. Now coming back, further back here on the Vibe, you'll see it says Camp Anywhere package. Now what this means is that this Vibe trailer is equipped with a 190 watt solar panel on the roof. You got a 30 amp controller with that, and it is expandable, so if you wanted to, you could add another 100 or 190 watt panel to the solar, add a second battery so you can go off grid with this thing, you know, to where you can have a nice storage bank for all your energy needs, for lights, operating the slides. You're going to be able to use a couple outlets, things like that, you know. So if you don't find yourself in a campground, maybe this one might be a right fit for you. Now all the way in the back here, you get a nice little outside kitchen. Again, these things are very unusual and something that isn't a bunk model trailer. So to have an outside kitchen in a non-bunk model trailer, it's a really good feature. Although small, it is complete. You get a wash basin, you get a hose hookup here for fresh water, you get a nice 1.2 cubic foot refrigerator, and you get a nice induction cooktop here that rolls out on the side. Now, I wanted to take a minute here to talk about our social media presence. You can find us just about anywhere. We're on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're putting information and content out there almost on a daily basis now. So if you like the trailer walkthrough, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe. We're always up to something over here, and I can't wait for you to see everything that we're getting into. All right, now coming inside to the 26RK, you see that there's a really wide open layout here. You have a nice big super slide here. You have sofa, dinette, and right across from the sofa you have these movable recliners that you can you know, you can kind of put them angled like this. You can set them straight across. You could even take one outside if you wanted to. The door actually is a very wide door, so even if you wanted to take it outside, you could. Makes it super easy for that. You get nice big TV and entertainment center, storage space, nice fireplace that actually puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat, to where maybe on a cold day you guys are sitting out on the couch, sitting down on the recliners, it's a little cold. That thing is more than enough to knock the edge off. Now coming on back here, you get your booth style dinette. This has nice big storage doors up underneath. This table does lower down, makes into a bed, so if you need an extra sleeping space, you've got it right here. Moving on back, you get nice big storage compartments right here to the side of the slide, right next to the refrigerator. This is your 12 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator, so there's plenty of storage for all of your need to keep cold goods, and nice large freezer right up top. Now, other things that you get in a nice rear kitchen layout, See, these things are really great because you get so much in a little space. So it doesn't really compromise the rest of the trailer when you're talking about where am I going to put my stuff, because you still get a lot of storage up top. You get massive amount of storage up here underneath. Couple that with a whole lot of counter space, nice deep sink. You have a pots and pans drawer under the oven, nice big microwave. As I said, very good use of a small space. Now, coming up front to the bathroom, we have a nice porcelain toilet here. There's a fair amount of walk around room in here. Nice stand-up shower with a skylight for the taller folks out there. You got plenty of headroom. And then ventilation fan. You move over here to the right, you get a nice big towel cupboard. You have plenty of space for your toothbrushes, hair dryer, your soap tray. You got plenty of space for all that. Now, moving forward here into the bedroom, we have a nice camper queen size bed. Now, one of the cool things about this is that you get a large amount of bedside storage. Even back behind the wardrobe here, you'll see that there's a storage space for CPAP machine or your phone, glass water, book, whatever you keep next to your bed at home. You got plenty of space next to you on the bedside here, and even more over on the other side of the bed. You have overbed storage, bedside wardrobe right here, so you can hang up your shirts and things like that. And moving on over into the closet, you'll have a whole lot of hang up space here, and Vibe even comes with a little stacker in there to where you can store all your shoes and whatnot.